Planning to start a business but have no idea where to start? GoNutrients can help. We help individuals or businesses develop their own brand of coffee, juice, or food supplement from start to finish. This is how it works. Step 1. We initially ask you what product you're interested in. Is it coffee, juice, or food supplement? Then we ask if you want herbal, slimming, whitening, or a combination of everything. Step 2. Our chemist and research and development team will develop your product. And don't worry, product formulation is free of charge and will just take 1 week. Step 3. We do a taste test to determine if the product is doable on your end, since our main focus is not just effective, but it should taste good as well. Step 4. We help you with the layout and design for the box, sachet, and bottle of your preferred product you want us to develop. Step 5. We do the sourcing of materials from boxes, sachets, bottles, labels, ingredients, then packaging, and delivery is free of charge. Step 6. We'll also assist you with the marketing on how to find resellers and distributors to sell your brand locally or abroad or via online, not to mention how much you want to price your brand and discounts given to your partners. Example: you had us develop your own brand of slimming or whitening capsule with collagen. Our price is $450 for 30 capsules per bottle. Then you can price it at a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 pesos per bottle. Then you decide how much discount you want to give your resellers and distributors. It's that simple. Step 7. We'll make sure to assist you with the documents you need in getting your FDA, LTO or License to Operate, and CPR or Certificate of Product Registration to ensure that your product is 100% safe and FDA compliant. So what are you waiting for? Call us now for a free consultation.